Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today I am making my mother-in-law's secret recipe, stuffed shells. She'll never find out, right? Shh, coming right up. Guys, get over here. Let's go over the ingredients. 12 ounces of jumbo shells, cook them as per the direction in the box. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of cottage cheese, 1 pound of ground beef. Cook the ground beef like you normally do, or you can cook it my way. I will have the ground beef recipe in the description box down below. 2 cups of marinara sauce, 1 egg, and parsley flakes. Let's begin by adding the parsley flakes to the cottage cheese. Add the egg to the cottage cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese, and now we're going to mix it all together. Add some of the marinara sauce to the bottom of your baking dish. While we put the stuffed shells together, preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Have enough marinara sauce at the bottom of the pan so they don't stick to the pan. Add some ground beef to the shell, cottage cheese, and place it in your baking dish. This recipe is super easy to make and everybody loves it. Please make sure that your oven is preheating at 350 degrees while you're putting them together. Pour the rest of your sauce over them. Add your mozzarella cheese. Now they're going in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees or until the cheese is completely melted. These guys are bubbling out of the oven. I normally like to add some fresh parsley once they're done. The parsley is optional. Look at that. Let's give it a try. They look amazing. They taste delicious. That's what I'm talking about. Thanks, mother-in-law. Guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up. Check out other recipes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.